It's a wintry wonderland out here. That'll make an interesting drive for sure. Alright, shoveled up, off to work now, see how long it takes me. I am a little bit farther than I normally am when I'm at our house, but oh man, oh boy, should be an interesting drive. Made it. Safe and sound. Time to get to work. It's Tuesday, my meeting day. I'll see you maybe or maybe not.
In these words.
Click on the S.
That's not s.
Oh! There you go. It's a giggly spider. Good morning from Nana and Papa's kitchen. We have been in school for a long while this morning so far, and it is a big snowy storm out today. So we're trying to finish our school so that we can go out and play in the snow. And we're going to take the camera so you can see the beautiful Canadian snow today.
Alright, it's lunchtime. Guess who I'm going to lunch with? The usual, Kenneth. I was actually supposed to bring my lunch today, but kind of forgot. And I'm on some weird setting, so I wonder if it's even working. I'm gonna switch. Okay, I just switched. I don't know if that changed anything. Anyhow, good morning, good meetings. The parking lot just got plowed. It's pretty crazy out. Lots of snow, but it's supposed to be raining later, so half of it will be gone probably. It's good, it's not bad. It's not even snowing. They said there's gonna like snow like most of the day today, so I mean it's just snowing a little bit, but I think the kids are gonna go sliding or something later. They're doing some school this morning. I think they're just having lunch now, chicken fingers or something. And yeah, then I'll be heading back to work after lunch and getting a few more things done. Heading back home, and we'll see what's going on with our house. If we're gonna sell this thing or not. I know we're gonna sell it, just when we're gonna sell it. I'm deciding that now.
I thought your car was up front.
It was.
I went halfway and I was like, oh, it's not there.
Lunch choice today was the mall food court. Waiting for Kenneth. It was a delicious Taco Bell.
So good.
So good.
Super healthy.
I only have it like twice a year. No judging.
Welcome to Canada, guys. So I got two little ones back there. Ben's helping Papa shovel a little bit and then he's gonna come join us. But we're gonna go for a little walk in the woods here because my parents have a trail by their house. But it is super snowy. It's been snowing the whole day and everything's just covered. And you can see it's like, I had to wear my pajama pants over top of my leggings because I didn't bring snow pants. Slash, I don't actually own snow pants, which is kind of weird since I'm a Canadian mother, but who plays with their kids in the snow all the time, so I really need to get on that. You crossing the bridge, Joel? Wow. It is so snowy out today. Look at all this snow. It's not gonna stop. What do you think, Mia? It's cool? It is cool. No pun intended. It's crazy snowy, eh?
It was sad.
I know, I think Ruby would just be too cold with her hair shaved off.
I know, I was like, sorry.
Yeah, Mia's trying to make a snowman. Look. Oh, it's so cute.
Take a picture.
Yeah, I'll take a picture.
Nina
What
said,
a cute little snowman. Yeah, so cute.
I love it.
Is it slippery underneath? We heart snow. You found a bench? Go, Dolly, go! What are you guys doing down here? What you doing? This is where I used to play when I was a little girl. Well, not that little. We moved here when I was 13, I think. But I used to play in this creek. And now I'm gonna probably fall in it. The kids are having a fun time exploring. They're just crawling along all these logs. And Jill, are you having fun? Yeah? You're a wolf? Oh my goodness. Cool. You look like a scary wolf. Well, we have had a really fun time walking in the snow here and exploring, but my battery is dying and we're probably gonna head back soon and warm up and dry off, so we'll catch you on the flip side.
That's a wrap. It is snowing still. This commute home is not going to be so awesome, I don't think. There goes the plow. Oh yeah, it's winter. So, all right. Here's my it's my car. It's not too covered because I parked it under the thing earlier today, so not too bad. All right, I'm out of here. I just had a good coffee and some time with my friend Andy. Thanks, Andy, that was great. And gonna head home now, have some dinner with the fam. The vlog today is going up late again because this selling a house thing is taking a lot of my time. I got some water on the lens there. See ya at home, or in Aurora. Waiting for the train. Stuck in traffic. Oh, there it goes. The GO train. So I've only been on the road for about 45 minutes. I'm in Aurora now. I just need to get to the other side of Aurora. And then I'll be home for dinner. It wasn't too bad of a drive. I took it pretty slow though, so. And I was talking to Shelley for half of it, so kind of like took my mind off how bad the roads were probably. Almost home. Woo! So we were gonna take offers on our house tonight, but not in this weather. Most people won't even be home. So hopefully tomorrow or something like that, we'll make it happen. All right, let's get home. Whoa, just realized I had like a super zoom on there. So that's gonna be awkward. Hello. Really? Oh. Hey, Joel.
Wait, this is on the phone.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Cool.
Mommy said they can move.
That's nice. Made it home. Welcome me home. Oh, you're flying the plane? Nice flying, bud. He's a good little gamer.
Unfortunately.
Unfortunately. Here they are, working hard at their puzzle. Progress is being made.
Determination.
Day 3.
Is it day 3? Yeah, Sunday afternoon we took it out.
All right, let's get this thing done.
Puzzle day 3.
Alright, just a few seconds later and I almost have the puzzle done. Making some big time progress here. Getting the castle done. This is what the puzzle is supposed to look like right there. This is what we have so far.
Comment down below if you like puzzles too. Hashtag I heart puzzles.
Loser. I'm just joking. Puzzles are fun. Alright, let's do it. Let's get it done.
I feel
I don't
like
think so. This is a hard puzzle. This is a hard puzzle. Right, here we go. Day 10.
once again, not eating ice cream.
3, 2, 1.
Jump jack tucks.
So you go out and up.
Just like that. Go.
It's too hard.
So try to stay tall. Push your elbows back. Whew. Alright, ready to stand up, you guys? You're running, but you're not going very far. Good work, you guys. We will see you tomorrow.
Okay,
Hey guys, what's up? Look
that
at
one
Tip of the day,
was
day
tiring.
10. And today,
Very
we're gonna
tiring.
talk about finding what you love. Now, for example, let's say
Good job, hon. Can't believe you did it in
I
a
can't even.
sweatshirt. But, most importantly, we made great progress on the puzzle. And we're gonna finish the puzzle. Here, look at this. It's almost done. It's like, what would you say?
Over half.
Oh yeah, over half done. Looks good. I'm so tired. Alright, it's only 11 o'clock at night. We just did our workout. Time for bed. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow. Pray that our house sells. Bing bing. Oh yeah.
Love you. Love you guys too.
See ya. Bye bye. Peace.